I'm downtown Premier. I forgot the name of the store. It's Techno Office Mall at Mall. I don't know. But I was strolling around. Just wanted to see what I can buy for my set, my computer set. By the way, I'm using the Asus laptop, which I think it's like a X55115. I already uploaded a video of it, me unboxing it from last April. Yeah, and yeah, I just wanted to add more options or more things that I could use for my gaming and for my work at home. So I just wanted to say I bought so with this one, this is the K551RGB-BA. Yeah, I know. So this is my first mechanical keyboard. And yes, I'm so proud of myself that I have bought this because I'm wanting a mechanical keyboard for myself. Because I play a lot, I do work a lot at home too, so I just want to invest in stuff for my work and my games. So yeah, this is my first one, and no, it's not that expensive as the same thing as what you see online or whatever about RGB keyboards. This one is for budget-friendly people who wants to buy mechanical keyboards and wants to play games comfortably. So let's go ahead and open it first. Okay? Okay, so this is the box, and as you can see, it has a glossy shine, something on its sticker, and you can see this from the box: high speed, high control, high response, and the model, keyboard and mouse. So this is a one-piece set, like a bundle. So can't wait to open it up. Let's go. So I actually opened this one already with a scissor, and also this one because they're sealed. So let's open them up. Okay, but before that, let's see. It's supposed to be this is what's inside the box, and it is mouse. See, it's really glossy. It says there, mechanical keyboard switch for DIY. Yeah, you can remove it and move or replace it with another switch, or you want to replace a keycap. And this one is the features you can see there about the keyboard and about the mouse. Yep, so let's get into it. Okay, so wow, okay, it's really nicely packed. Yeah, so let's start with the mouse. Okay. Oh, nice. Okay, so the mouse has a red cord, as you can see, and the USB is gold. Yep, it's gold. And then, as you can see, the cord is really thick, which I like, because then it won't be like easy to bend. Oh my gosh. Okay. And mind you guys, this is my first mechanical keyboard and mouse, so it excites me how it excites you. So this one, wow, I like the finish here. So it must be like tight grip. Okay. I like how it's a matte finish here, and also the design of the dragon. I just wanted to let it focus. Okay, see, this is the buttons that it has. Also this one, nice. It says there, mode switch. So this is a wired optical gaming mouse, so please do not expect a wireless mouse. Either way, a lot of people think that some of the gaming stuff that you buy are wireless, so no, this is a wired optical mouse. So for those who want a wireless mouse, then this is not it. But either way, I love how it looks like. Okay, now we have the keyboard. So let's see what's inside first. Okay, now we have a Redragon sticker. I love it, but why is it only one? Like, give me 5. Okay, and yeah, this is, I think, the manual. It is a manual. You can see here a lot of stuff, the backlighting modes. We'll get into that later, and also multimedia keys, also for the mouse, how we could use it and change colors or whatever. So yeah. Oh, and also we have, ouch, this one. This is for the keycap remover or the switch. Yep, it's free. Okay, now into the keyboard. So, it feels heavy, but yeah. Okay, it also has this one. Let's just focus. Okay, it's gold, same with the mouse. And wow, it's a little bit heavy. Okay, so I'm just gonna remove the box, just a second. Oh, okay, yeah, I forgot to tell you guys about this keyboard and mouse pad from Shopee, and I'm gonna put the link in below so you could buy it. It's really nice, doesn't like move, plus it's really cheap. So yeah, I should buy one. Okay, so with the keyboard, this is how it looks like. That's like a logo. Here the lights. Yeah. So before I'm gonna use the keyboard and the mouse to my laptop, there it's an Asus where I uploaded a video of me unboxing it. It's there. I use it for work. So this is what I'm gonna use for work and for my gaming. So before I do that, I use this one, a 4-port, since I do put a lot of things in my laptop. So I use this one. So this one is really nice also. But like you can put the nail or something. And yeah, it's really nice to work with. It's functional and you can turn it off and on. So I'm gonna put a link below for this one in Shopee. It's really not expensive, so yeah. Okay, so let's put it in. Wow, cool. Yeah, this is nice. Wow, I like it. Okay, so basically this keyboard is has a blue switch. So as you all know, or let's just say, I want everybody to know the blue switch is the most clickiest or most switch that makes a lot of sound. Yeah, so see, yeah, neighbors can hear the clicking, I know. Yeah, but for me it's an advantage because I like the clicking. I like how this sounds. I don't know with the other people who likes to play games, I don't know if they like blue switches, but you can buy them with brown switches, which is not really loud. Okay, so I want to try what's in here, like the backlighting modes. Okay, let's try this one. Oh, okay, so this is the first one, the trial of light, breathing. Okay, it's like breathing colors, and then it's normally on. Okay, nice, good. Okay, let's try the other one. And okay, so when you type, this is the ripple graph mode. So when you type, it gives color. but when you don't, it's just like that. Okay, and then next one is when you type, it colors, it brings a light on only on the keyboard or the keys that you type on. That is pass without trace. And the next one is coastal. So like on the line along the row or whatever. So it's cool. Now let's do the page up. Okay, so this is the first thing. This is the hurricane mode. Oh, nice. Let's do the accumulate. Get the circles. Yeah, great. Let's do the digital times. Okay, so this is the third mode. So every what do you call this? Every key that we used, it has 3 modes each. Okay, so this is the last is digital times. Okay, so now let's try the F and delete. Okay, first thing is go with the stream. Oh, I can see now. I can see the effect now. Next is the clouds fly. I can see a change of colors. Nice. And the next is winding paths. Nice. I love it. And then let's try this one. F and end. Okay, wow. I really like all the colors. It's colorful. And this one is flowers blooming. I get it. Why it's flowers blooming, because flowers are colorful. And the next is the snow winter jasmine. This is cute too. Just pop it up. Like, not everything, but yeah. And then the third one is swift action. Okay, let's see what it does. Oh, okay. Just really slowly coming up, down, up, down. Now let's just try the last one. Page down. This is the both ways. I think it goes down and up. And then 2 is the surmount. So let's try the second. Pink until it becomes what? Purple? I don't know. Okay. And the next is Fast and Furious, the last one. So it changes color really fast. Okay. Alright, so with everything, with all this backlighting modes, it's really, really nice. I like the clicking sound. It's pretty heavy. I think it's made of metal or something. So for this, I would suggest and recommend this. And yeah, I do want to try it. And typing. Okay, so let's try this one. Okay, so let's try with this. Okay, let's type in my name and my father's name. How about typing numbers? Okay, so the keys that we usually use for games, WASD, Q and E, and like shift, something like all of these. Okay, so some of the gamers would say, oh, you're abusing your keys, and no, just keep them light because they already work as well when you click them, so you don't have to like really push it. So yeah, so overall, what I think about this one is it's nice, it's clicky, and it works perfectly fine. And that this thing, actually, this one, this is my first mechanical keyboard, but I know and I'm knowledgeable about mechanical keyboards and pure gaming. I just didn't have the budget before. So if you are in a tight budget, or this is going to be your first time, I can recommend this. I'll tell you why later. Okay, so now we're going to try the mouse. Ooh. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so this has at 7200 dpi, so you have to just click this one if you want the mouse to be like really fast, and then this one is switch colors, and this functions, I use this when I play paladins with my boyfriend and use skills, and then this yeah. So I like how heavy it is. Not that heavy, but it is heavy, not lightweight. And I like it because I'm the type of person who wants to be in control. To be in control with the game, okay? So, yeah. But I do want the mouse to be fast. Not really fast, but fast when I play games. So, yeah. If you want, or you're the type of person who doesn't like a lightweight mouse, then this is it. This is for you. For those people out there asking which mouse to buy, just buy the bundle, okay? It's gonna be added to your collection or whatsoever. All right. So for me, if I'm gonna be honest, this is already a good buy. Okay, but if you are the type of person who thinks that you want a better keyboard, like a mechanical keyboard does, that does wireless and wired connection, then it could be much expensive. But this one is only wired, so you cannot use it wireless. Plus this one also. So there's keyboards in Redragon that are mechanical but also wireless. So yeah, if you have budget for that, you can buy that. But for me, I'm in a tight budget. This is my first mechanical keyboard and I'm really proud of this. I think this is enough for me as I play my games, as I work from home and do all my stuff. So yeah, I do think it's enough. Okay, so yeah, I'll just summarize it later about what I think about the pros and cons. But with this total bundle, it's just 2,550. So you don't. This is RGB. Okay, it's a mechanical keyboard, and it's just 2,550 with the mouse. If you buy an RGB keyboard, mechanical keyboard, it's gonna cost you like 2,000, 3,000 to like what 5,000 without the mouse, just the keyboard alone. Okay, so yeah, I do think and I recommend this one. So if you guys want to buy things for your computer, something like that, just buy this. Okay, this is not an endorsement. I don't have anything with them. I'm just a starting vlogger. I don't know. Yeah, so let's go. So that was it. This is what I'm using now. Redragon. Okay, so if you want to go research about Redragon, you can just go on YouTube and you can see a lot of videos about Redragon. So you can see why I tried to buy this one and not the other things. I did try this because it has a lot of reviews, especially on Amazon. There's a lot of good reviews, great reviews, a lot of stars, and it's not that expensive. Yeah, but I saved this money aside so that I could buy this because I really wanted to invest things on my work and my games. So plus a free sticker, right? So yeah, there's a lot of things you could buy for at Redragon, and there's a lot of options there for keyboards and mouse. I do think there's a lot of nicer or better keyboards than this one, but yeah, they're a bit expensive. Not much, but it's more than this one. But this is on the tight budget and so. But yeah, for me, I do think this is already good. Yeah, I just don't want to spend a lot more because I think this does the job already. So yeah, the con for this one is it's heavy, and if you are the type of person who travels a lot and play games, brings your laptop or whatever like me, it's not that convenient because it's heavy, yes, both mouse and keyboard. So you have to buy another. That would really affect you. And next is, it's clicky. It's a blue switch, so you expect it to be really loud. Neighbors can hear you at night playing games. Okay, so it's clicky, it's heavy, and this is keyboard where you see that you have the numpad, everything. So it takes a lot of space in your cable. So if you have a limited space, then you can just buy the one that doesn't have the numpad. So just this one. Yeah, so it takes a lot of space, it's heavy, plus it's clicky. I think that those are the things. The pros is, it's nice. It's a mechanical keyboard. And it's not that expensive. It's cheap. You can just save a lot from this if you buy a very expensive one, and it does the same job. So, and plus it's a bundle, okay? It's 2,550 pesos for both. Some you can just buy a keyboard for more than 3,000, and it's just the keyboard alone. And you have to buy a different mouse, and it's gonna be 1,000. So it's, yeah, I think it's. So this one is pretty tight or good in budget. It's a mechanical keyboard, and it's clicky. It's a pro and con, because for me, I like clicky sounds to make sure I'm doing the right thing, and to make sure that I'm doing something. I like to hear it, so I like the clicky sounds. Plus, as a mechanical keyboard, you can change the keycaps. It has the same with the Cherry MX, yeah, I think. So yeah, you could buy other keycaps if you want redesign, which I was already thinking about it. So yeah, I think, and it does the job, and it's really, really nice, and it's really good in the budget. So I do think you have to buy this one. This is not an endorsement. I just love it. Okay, so I hope to see you next time on my other unboxing of stuff.